SpinQ Gemini Lab, the new generation quantum computing experimental teaching and research platform from SpinQ, features miniaturization and room temperature operation. In practical use, the device can unfold into an open experimental platform. The working status of each module is clearly visible. The hardware interface is convenient for plugging and unplugging, which can freely connect external devices such as oscilloscopes, signal sources, spectrum analyzers, etc. When used or demonstrated by multiple users, it can connect to a vertical touch all-in-one machine. The real quantum system allows physical interaction, making abstract quantum experimental phenomena more intuitive. The built-in arbitrary waveform generator can freely control qubits. There are several different samples available for changing according to the requirement of experiments. The interface provides feedback on various real experimental data. The device offers a graphical interface for convenient quantum programming and learning quantum algorithms. In addition to this, deeper classical quantum hybrid programming experiments can be carried out through coding. The device comes with a series of built-in teaching experiments, each accompanied by the corresponding experimental handbook, which can be used for pre-lab study and in-class explanations. Students can write lab reports through corresponding experiment operations and data processing. In the laboratory, users can also conduct topic or scientific research on quantum information based on the real quantum system of the device and its freely control method. In response to the teaching needs of multiple people using scenarios, Gemini Lab has also launched a multi-endpoint collaborative experiment function. Through the LAN connection, a host can support multiple users to access the real machine experiment function at the same time, effectively improving the equipment utilization rate.